Here's my honest review of the Ninja Woodfire Grill. Alright, I am getting ready to use my Ninja Woodfire. We've had this for about 3 months now, so I wanted to just show you how it works, how I use it, and tell you how we've been liking it. We live in a townhome and we have this little back balcony here that's probably about maybe 7 feet by 3.5, 4 feet maybe. And it fits perfectly in this space. We have this little rolling rack that you see, it's on here, but honestly perfect for the small space that we have. So if maybe you've got another grill and you want just something little that doesn't take up that much space, or maybe you live in an apartment, I think this grill is perfect for that. And the surrounding areas, I've noticed, even though this is stainless steel, doesn't really get that hot when the grill is on. It does a really good job of just keeping the heat to that. It doesn't transfer onto whatever surface you have it on, but it does also have the feet. It's a little dusty because we keep it outside, but it has the feet, so it keeps it up above the surface, which is nice. And then to keep the grill clean, I have it thrown over there, but we got the cover to cover up the grill as well. So I have it plugged in over here. My husband just had it on, but I turned it off just for the sake of showing you. So you'll plug it in and then you'll turn it on to either grill, smoker, air crisp, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, whatever one you want. I'm doing grill today. And then over here is the little container where you can put wood pellets. I'm not going to use any for this cook, but if you did have those, you would press this button here. You'll put what you want it on, high, medium, low for grill. If you do smoker, you get to choose the temp. And then again, for air crisp and bake, obviously those options you'll choose a temp, but for grill, I'm gonna leave it on high. And then I'm going to push my timer up to probably about 12-13 minutes. And then you'll hit start. Now, this is already preheated because my husband just had it on. But if I just turned it on for the first time today, it would say preheat, and it would take probably about 10 minutes to heat up, and then it'll tell you to add food. So right now, it just went ahead and started the timer because it's already preheated and already ready to cook. So I'm gonna go ahead and add, I'm just making grilled chicken today. I'm gonna add that here. Okay, so I just added my food because I had it at 13 minutes to start. It will prompt me at 6.5 minutes to flip my food, but it is as easy as that. You just put it on and let it cook, and then it gives you a little notification to flip, and when it's done, it'll automatically turn off the grill, so it's not just sitting on there when the timer is done. Okay, my timer went off a little bit ago, but I was inside, so I missed it, so I'm gonna go ahead and flip the chicken. I love this because, one, super easy. I am definitely not a great cook, but it makes it super easy to cook proteins. And then I also really love it because it gives the, as you could tell on that chicken, it gives the food, at least on the grill mode, it gives it like such a good char, and it cooks super, super quick. So those chicken breasts are pretty thick, and they'll probably be done even before those 13 minutes are up. So it's a really nice way to just get dinner or lunch out on the table really quickly. And here's the final product. The Ninja Woodfire gives that nice char. It's super juicy. Honestly, everything that we have made so far on the Ninja has been great. I'll put a link below if you want to check it out and get your own. We've made shrimp, we've made ribs, we've made pork loin, we've made it all and have been super happy with it.